After having completed the block of my class called Business Globalization and observing all the methods of regional integration, the areas of free treaty, the common market, the economic union, megatrends, the globalization of markets, production, and work that impact on economy, politics, and laws, I can reflect that the recycling industry in the industrial field has a relatively large impact within the economy sector since these materials are recycled to re-enter the economic flow as raw materials. However, it has also a social impact on the consumption of industrial materials and how its use can be renewed. Likewise, the industries that generate this type of waste have an extent commitment. For example, it is not only to produce a car and to manufacture it, but to measure the environmental impact it will have, combustion and pollutant emissions that care of environmental friendly materials with which it was manufactured. Finally, in the recycling industry, I have the role of the consumer of all these materials without having a future participation on the recycling process as such. However, I also have the role of separating these wastes, whether for the domestic or personal use, such as cables that do not work, irons, dryers, micro units, among many others. I can also observe that these companies do not have the corresponding presence in the recycling industry. What I'm going to do is that these companies dedicated to industrial waste management must necessarily have a greater impact and awareness on our society.